Hello everybody, I am Fate9 and welcome to another Pokemon card pack unboxing. Today we are unboxing, yes, one of the most sought out packs, Shining Fates. Got this little Pikachu collection box, and yeah, we all know what we want from this set. But let's go open it and see what we get. I would be so lucky if I get the Charizard from Shining Fates. But I don't know. Nobody knows. Alright, we got 4 packs right here. All looking incredible. I think that, as you can see, I've never opened Shining Fates before. So, we're in for a treat. Got this awesome Pikachu V card right here. Jumbo card, and let me put this here on the corner. Let me put the plastic aside. Here we got it. Thin card, but playable format, I guess. Alright, let me put this to the side. Code card activate. I'm assuming it's for the Pikachu. Good luck, guys. Alright, 4 Shining Fates packs. Since we got this one repeated, we're gonna start with it and then move on to the others. Let's go. Let's see if we can save these packs because we wanna add them to. Oh man, I broke it. Never mind. We got a second try with this one. We wanna try and add to our collage. Alright. We saved it. We saved it. We're pro pack openers by now. Right, code card activate. Good luck, guys. I'm sorry if I moved it too quick. Feel free to pause the video. Alright. Water. I'm having no luck with that. Luxio. Blocky. Rusted Shield. Doodle. Morpeko. Cacnea. Horsey. Ooh. Nice. Alright, guys. Moment of truth. A Rillaboom. Okay, okay. Not bad, not bad. I like the shiny of this one. Alright, not bad. Hey. They all can be winners. Let's put this to the side. Second pack. Don't worry, we got a lot of Shining Fates to open. You'll see it in the upcoming videos. I'm gonna save this pack either. Let's see if we can save it now. Yeah. Yeah, we could save it. Alright. Card activate. Good luck. 1, 2, 4. Alright, I even guess. Ball guy. Tropius. Pinch. Tick. Cacnea again. Ufent. Grimm's Gnarl V. Let's go. I don't know which Pokemon is this, but it looks cool. And we got a Professor Research. Let's go. Well, let's grab his leaf here. Leave this bad boy. Let's go. Let's put it here with the other guys. I mean, is this the guy? No, it's not. Never mind. I don't know if this is from like the Sword and Shield era. But I didn't play that game that much. Kind of want to do a playthrough of it plus the expansions, so we'll see. I don't want to spoil that card, but I think I did, but whatever. I'm trying to save the pack though. Alright, code card activate. Okay, good luck. Let me put the Pikachu card right. Bam. So you guys can see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Water again. Nope. Grass. I am not good. Alright. Another ball guy. Float cell. I like it. Team Gel. Owl. Stupid team. Man, how many Cagnias? Hey, an EV. A boost cell. Hell, let's go. We got the evolution and the pre-evolution in the same pack. Oh. Oh. Grimsar VMAX. Wait, what? We got Grimsmar V and a Grimsmar VMAX in the same set? No way. Let's go. And a Gen Mega. Let's go. Man. Pack number 3. Not bad. Not bad. Getting some decent pulls here. Last pack, guys. Like I said, there's more Shining Fate, so if... I don't know, I may not be that lucky, but... hopefully we can pull one of those Charizards. How many boxes of Shining Fates do I have? I got like 8 boxes of this Pikachu, some other... I got an Elite Trainer box of Shining Fates as well. We'll try, guys. We'll try. Hopefully we were lucky and picked the right one. Alright, alright, alright. Code card activate. You know, the intent of my series is to show that, you know, we always can be that lucky, right? So, I didn't guess. Sorry, guys. Keep forgetting. Another ball guy. Art tricks. Defend again. Oops. Strokey. Another Buizel. Janma. Trapinch. And a Cramorant. Why is it brown? I don't know. And a Dreadnought. Alright, not the Charizard, but it pulled these 2 bad boys. Right here. Which was a nice haul. Alright, let me put the Pikachu in a sleeve as well. Bam. Let's go. Alright guys, I would like to remind you that I currently stream on Twitch every Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday at 9 p.m. Eastern. I also upload some Let's Play here on this channel. Feel free to check them out. Now, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And feel free to stop by my stream and say hi. Links to everything will be in the description below. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.